Arts Workfly.
Alright guys, so I have another one here. What I usually do is to store all these things in this, but what I'm going to do now is to store it in these containers here that I bought from TEMU. The one I wanted them white, but the white one was a little bit too expensive, so I bought the pink one. So these are they. So I'm going to store like these things in it, so my husband can easily find what he's looking for and not ask where is what. So for example, how this put in? Oh God, how this put in the wrong way? Wrong way. This came with the iron, and you can just pour your water in the hole, and I store it in this. So what I'm gonna do now is store it in here. Oh, it was dust. Just have that here, and he can easily see it. So out with that. Now the next one is this one. I store like these things in here, so now I can throw them out and organize them a bit better. As you can see, it's different contents in here, different types of pins, but I think I want to separate them. But let's see how the space works first, and then I can decide whether or not to separate them. Alright, so I'm going to leave that for last. Then this one here, I have paper clips and a clothespin paper clip, so I want to separate them, but it depends on the spacing. So let's see what else I have in here. Garbage. I have some staples, so I'm going to put them in here. I think I might need 2 drawers for the staple, definitely. So I'm gonna put the rest in here. And I think I have another set of staples somewhere. Let's see what else I have. I have some bulldog clips. I don't know the correct word for it, but this is what we call it in Jamaica. Some bulldog clips. I'm gonna see if they can hold. This one is a bit rusty. Should I throw away this? I'm not sure. Alright, so they can hold. I want more bulldog clips, so one day, and I have some knickknacks. Probably want to give the dog a bone in here. So we see how that works. I have some screwdrivers. I have some stencil knife. I know the stencil knife is not going to hold in here, but I know the blade can. So whenever I'm looking for the blade, I don't have to dig down in sharp tools to find the blades. So I'll be digging down in this container here or any other container. Usually I have another container that I store the sharp things in. So I have knife, I have that, I have the stencil knife, I have a lot of sharp tools in this container, and you even have the blade down at the bottom. So now the blade is going to be one place, and I have this little screwdriver here. Probably I'm going to store it in a different section, but we'll see for now depending on the storage. So now I can repurpose this for planting my seeds. I have another set of blade here. The scissors is broken. I was looking for this earphone for a while now, so good thing I found it in here. I can probably throw away these scissors. The scissors is not going to hold in the drawers. I have another stencil knife. These are not going to hold. Alright, so I have another set of staples for the staple gun. I don't think I want to take them out because it's just perfectly stored in this box, and I'm not using it as yet. Well, I use it, but not as often. So I'm gonna let them stay in that box. And I have a pack of elastic bands I store in plant containers. So now I can put them in here, and I can easily see when I'm running out, because I had a lot and now I'm running out. So I can put them in here. I'm not sure if these are going to hold. It's too tall, so these may not be able to hold in here, so I would have to see what I can do with that. Oh, scissors definitely not going to hold. I have some blades in here, not going to hold, but let me see if it's just the container itself. Alright, this is not going to hold in here, so I would have definitely have to put it in a different container. I have some, probably these should be in another storage. This is for clothes, so I'm gonna put it in another container. Or should I just put it in here? Because I'm gonna put it in here just in case. I use these as hooks, so I'm just gonna put these in. I have these sticky things. Let's see if they can hold. If they can hold if I bend it, but the rest of them is not going to hold. I have a good amount of them, so they're not going to hold. I have this paper cutter here, which I don't use often because I cannot find it, so now I can just put it in here and it holds. I have these things here I can probably do something with. I did something with it. Is this upside down? Yes, it's upside down. Shampoo. I think I want them to put all of these things together, so I'm going to put that somewhere else. Alright, so I think I can separate. So I have this left in the box. But we see how that goes in terms of storage. I have another storage container I can put them in. This is a bulldog clip, but it's not going to hold, can it? It's not going to hold. So I'm going to put it in another one. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this as yet. Stay tuned for the final video. Alright, so I think I'm going to separate these because I have enough drawers. So this is basically done, so I'm going to do this one now. So I have these clothespin paper thing. I bought them locally. So I'm going to separate them and put them in here. All the clothespin ones in here. I just thought they were cute and I bought it. It did its time. I think I can still use it for something cute. So right now I just have them. I have these paper clips from a long time before even college. I had these paper clips. My son is in the background making a lot of noise. Please pardon him. So I have my paper clips here. I think these were made for jewelry, but as you can see, I have more art supplies than jewelry. I have some screws. These are from the things that I bought from TEMU, and there were extra screws and stuff like that. Now I can separate these ones here. I think I'm going to put all the pin ones there, all the tacks, thumbtacks there, all these pin ones here. It's a lot of them. Some of them don't even have any use. So I'm going to throw away the ones that doesn't have any use. I have some more screws here also. These are some screws. So I'm going to put the screws. Where's the screw? This part here. Screws here. These tacky things here. Wrong place. So now I'm left with this one, which I don't know what I'm going to do with. Let's see what it's in here. Alright, knickknacks. This one, I think I can probably use this to pierce paper, so I'm gonna keep it in here. This one is another tack. This one is a door lock, so I think I'm going to store these in my house supplies and not my hard supplies, because this is like a door lock thing. I think this one is also a door lock, or is the phone lock thing. Probably it's a phone lock, so I'm gonna keep it here for the time being. And I have another bulldog clip. Where is the bulldog? Okay. Screw here. What is this? This can be thrown away. What's this? Oh, this is for my stapler. This one broke off, so I can probably throw away that. This one is a zipper thing. I'm gonna keep the zipper thing because one day I'm going to need zippers. Probably I should keep the buttons here when I need buttons. These came off a camera. I'm gonna keep it just in case I need it. So I'm gonna store this somewhere else. So right now I have this like that. I'm going to label it so my husband can easily find things a bit better. I'm not gonna show you the reveal as yet. Alright guys, so to store this I have another container, but that is going to take the all night, and I've been organizing for a while, so I'm just going to leave it here for tonight. Take a little bit of break and organize probably later down, and get my laptop to charge. It needs a bit of charging. So guys, I will see you in the next organizing video, or the next video that I will post. 10 out of 10 I will definitely recommend. Bye guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.